After several years of use, or if you're prone to running a lot of sticks or twigs or pine cones, that type of thing, you may happen to sharpen your blade. Usually this isn't required until maybe about the second or third year of full use. But if you want to, you've got two different options to sharpen your reel mower. One of the key ones is what we call our SK2 blade sharpener. You can order this online or check with your local retailer if they have them. They'll come in a small box. Open up the box, and this is what it looks like. You'll have two sets of sharpeners down here and one other. Very simple to sharpen your blades with the blade sharpener. First, get on a glove to protect your hand. Take your blade sharpener, and you'll see here two grooves. Just put it on your blade and slide it back and forth. Do this maybe 10, 15 times on each blade, and you'll get a nice sharp out of it. The other one is for your cutting bar sharpening. What you'll need to do is just flip your reel up to access your cutting bar right here. Let's put on a second glove just to be on the safe side. You'll get your sharpener lined up here, and once again you'll slide it down while rotating the blades out of the way, and then just start over again. Slide it down, move the blades out of the way, start over again. Once again, do this 10 or 15 times. Your cutting bar will sharp, your blades will be sharp, and you're good to go for another couple of years. So if you have any other information you want to find out about reel mowers, visit AmericanLawnmower.com. You'll find helpful videos there on the sharpening, height adjustment, and other aspects of the reel, so you have many years of enjoyable cutting with your American Lawnmower reel.